everyone. Today I'm going to be making marinated barbecue chicken. Okay, so before I tell you what goes into the barbecue marinated chicken, I just wanted to say two things. The first thing I want to say is to all of my new subscribers, welcome aboard. I hope you enjoy my recipes. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and seeing my videos. You guys, new and returning, are amazing, and I want to keep making the best videos I can for you so you will keep coming back. Now, the other thing that I wanted to mention, if you remember back on my jalapeno popper crunch video that I mentioned that I won a $25 gift card from Amazon from CJ Family Show. Thanks again for that. And I just wanted to show you what I got from Amazon with my gift card. The first thing I got, this is a grape divider. You put your grapes in there, push this down, and it cuts it into 4 pieces. Now, I don't have very many recipes that I'm going to be using this for grapes, but I'm going to be trying to use it on maraschino cherry. And I have a video that will be coming up fairly soon that will be using maraschino cherry, so this will be perfect for that. The next thing that I got is this strainer that you just set onto your saucepan, and then of course you'll see that it will drain, and you don't have to worry about holding on to it to make sure that it doesn't fall off or the food falls out of the pan, you know, along with the liquid. It clips onto the saucepan. So I'm excited to use that as well. And the last thing I got, these are little cone-shaped forms that if you want to make your own ice cream cones, or I don't remember what the other things are called because I'm not going to be using them, but you just wrap your dough around that and then it'll be cone shaped. And I've got an idea that I'm going to be making my own recipe down the road for that. So we'll see how that happens. Again, thanks to the CJ Family Show for the gift card. I really appreciate it. You guys need to go check them out. I'll put their link down below. All right, so what do we need to put into our barbecue marinated chicken? The first thing you're gonna need is 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's because that's what I had, but you can use whatever you want. 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 2 cloves garlic minced. I'm going to be using the already minced stuff. 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. And of course, your chicken. I've got about 7 chicken legs here. So let's begin. All right, so this is the easiest marinade ever, I think. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a gallon Ziploc bag, and we're just going to put everything in there. So we're going to go ahead and put in our 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 2 cloves garlic minced, and already minced, this actually equals up to be 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of barbecue sauce, and I'm using 1/2. Last time I made this, I goofed up and I used 1/2, and I thought it tasted good. So you can use the 1/4, or you can go ahead and use the 1/2, whichever you would like to do. And the 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil. And then zip up the bag, and then just go ahead and shake it all up to mix it. All right, so then go ahead and open up your bag again. And then put your chicken, like I said, I'm using chicken legs. And then just drop them in the bag. And get out most of the air. And then we'll go ahead and just work the bag and get all the chicken coated. And then double check that you got most of the air out. And then go ahead and stick this in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. And then I'll be back to finish up cooking my chicken. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 400. All right, so you want to go ahead and take a baking sheet and put aluminum foil on it and then spray it with cooking spray. Now I let this marinate about 10 hours and we'll just go ahead and put it on the baking sheet. And then whatever's left in the bag, I'm going to just put and rub over the tops of the chicken. All right, so go ahead and put it in a 400-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165. All right, so here is the barbecue marinated chicken, and rounding off the meal is pork and beans. I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
I'm just gonna, this is finger food. I don't care how messy it is. This is finger food. And it's good finger food.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.